Hey guys, Timelapse Boy 63 here, and in today's video, I'm asking for help once again. I guess this will be video 3 of the electronics help series. So, basically, this video is on a Dell Inspiron laptop. It's showing no signs of life, no power, nothing on the screen. I suspect a dead motherboard, but I'll get into more detail about that later. So, basically, this is the laptop over here. If I go ahead and just kind of bring it over here, you'll see, hold on a second, you'll see that there's no power. Try pushing the button, nothing happens on the screen, no light comes on. Even if I get the charger for it, which is over here, I have tested this charger with a multimeter, it's just fine. And if I plug it in, here's the charger, I have it plugged in. If I plug it into the laptop, you'll see that that little light next to the charging port won't light up at all. Nothing. And if I try turning it on once again, nothing. No lights come on at all. And then, basically on the bottom of this laptop as well, it's about like right here, it gets super hot. So, what I did was, I took the bottom off of this laptop, and found one little tiny chip that was getting super hot. I don't really know what the chip does. If you do, please comment down below. But I'm going to be showing you exactly what I mean in this video later on. But basically, no signs of power at all, and there I am. But yeah, no signs of power at all with this laptop. So, I guess I should probably mention how this is after one of my family members spilled coffee on it. Yeah, coffee. Now, as soon as it happened, I already had my tools out and stuff. So I just took it apart. I completely took it apart. I wiped down everything. I let it dry out for a day. Turned it on. Well, attempted to, and this is what happened. So, there's still corrosion on the board. There could be something sorting out. I'm suspecting a dead MOSFET, but I'm not too sure. So, I'm going to go ahead and take it apart now, and get back to it once it's apart. I guess I should also mention that this is what I cleaned it with. 91% isopropyl alcohol. And also, with this laptop here, there's no thermal paste on it right now, because the CPU or GPU isn't even getting hot, like at all. So, the power is not even getting to the CPU. So when I reassemble this thing, I wasn't going to just waste my thermal paste on something that's not even going to be used. If I get this working, obviously I'll put thermal paste on, because it's not good not to have it. But yeah, just kind of as a FYI kind of moment, I guess. But yeah, let's get started with taking this thing apart. Alright, so here's the motherboard. Now, this portion over here doesn't get warm at all. So like where the RAM is and stuff, this side here doesn't get warm at all. However, this other side here, with this little like tip, I guess, right here, gets super hot. Above 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Compared to over here, which gets super low, something's happening over here, because the power gets brought into this motherboard through this jack here, which is basically where the power input gets plugged in, right there from the power port. And basically, I do not think the issue's on this side. The reason I removed the board is because I think the issue is actually on the back of it, right here. And I don't know what these two do. Like, I don't know what they do. I'm trying to get a good focus on these. Yeah. I'm pretty confident both of them are bad. Basically, all the pins are showing out together. And also, yeah, these two right here, you can see how small they are compared to my finger there. But those two kind of bigger chips compared to all the rest are getting extremely hot, where nothing else is getting hot. So, from past experiences, I'm pretty sure this is what's the issue with it. And I'm pretty sure these somehow got shorted out when the coffee was spilled on this. So if you can tell me what these are, that would be amazing. And like what they do, I'm going to try to get a better shot of these. Let's see. There we go. If you can hear that, that's my garage door. Come on. There we go. They're both the same chip, though. Can I go ahead and zoom back out? So you can see just how small those are. I mean, they're not super small. I mean, still, compared to my finger, they're small. So it's not like one of the bigger chips like that or anything. I'm not really sure about what these do. These two right there. I'm not really sure about it. I have flooded, and when I say flooded, I mean flooded. Like, I have put a bunch of isopropyl alcohol on this. Most of the corrosion is gone. There's still some bits, though, that are refusing to clear up. You may be able to see them back here. If my phone, maybe if I turn off the light. Nah. Okay, well, you'll just have to take what I say, I guess. Because this is obviously not allowing for me to show you the corrosion. But there is still quite a bit of corrosion. There's actually some on these mounting points for this port here. Nah, I don't know how well you can see that either. But there may be short circuits all over. I don't even know if the thing is worth repairing. Mainly because of the fact that, what if this is just like something that just continues to go on and on, where there's not really an end in sight, I guess. See, I don't really know. Like, what if the actual, like, CPU is bad? Like, this part here. What if that's bad? If it is, then that's, like, this not fixable. It's not like a desktop where you can just, like, replace the CPU. This is soldered on with, I think it's like a ball grid array or something. Also, this whole computer was made in 2018, as you can see. Okay, my phone does not like to focus, I see. But yeah, this computer was made in 2018 on November 6th. So, yeah. It's not too old, but it's also not, like, brand new. And it was working really well until this happened. So, I mean, I don't really know if it's fixable. If you guys have any tips on what I could try, please comment them down below. Obviously, I know how to take this thing apart and work on it. But, yeah. Also, the Wi-Fi card could be bad here. Or the little CMOS battery could be. This little USB port over here could be showing something out. The touchpad there. the speakers. I mean, I'm not really sure. They could just be going out forever. The screen could even be bad. So yeah, I don't really know what to do at this point. I mean, so this is gonna sound crazy, but this laptop has actually had 2 things spilled on it. Before the coffee, a few years before, there was water, and there was water spilled on it, and I repaired that time. I repaired it that time. It was just a bad piece of RAM. So like this right here. Yeah, the RAM was bad. So yeah, I had to replace it. I got the same exact type of RAM, and it fixed it. But now with this coffee spill, I can't just pinpoint one exact thing, except for my suspect that these chips may be bad. If you could please tell me what those chips do, or how to find them, because I'm unable to find them on the internet. Please let me know. Yeah. Yeah, that's basically it with this laptop. I don't really know what else to do. I have taken out the power board here, where the power button is on the other side, and also this power jack. I've taken that out too, and I've all set it up just with that, and still have the same issue. So I'm more inclined to suspect the board at fault than any other component. But I mean, who really knows? So yeah, I don't really know where to go from here. So I'm just going to reassemble it for now. I just wanted to show you exactly what chips or MOSFETs or whatever they are, are heating up really badly. So, I mean, are those power MOSFETs? I have no clue. Please let me know in the comments if you know. But yeah, back to time-lapse mode. Okay. So, the laptop is fully assembled once again, and I bet we're gonna have the same issue. Plug in, no sign of life. That little LED there doesn't light up at all. So once again, I'm suspecting the motherboard is at fault. But even more specifically, I'm suspecting that one MOSFET or chip, whatever it is at fault. If you guys could please tell me what that is, that would be amazing. Like if it's a power MOSFET and how to get them, or if it's what type of chip it is, or whatever, it would be amazing. Because I've researched it and can't find too much information on it. So yeah, if you can find anything out, please let me know by posting in the comments. Any and all help is much appreciated. With that being said, peace out.